Thanks to the MVLA Foundation, all Los Altos students have access to Naviance Family Connection, a web-based resource designed to support students in their academic, career, and college planning. To access Naviance, you just click on the link on the homepage at the top bar right here. If you're new to Naviance, you'll have to register your account using the registration code sent to you by your college career counselor. On the registration page, make sure you use your mvla.net email when you register your account and create a password that you will remember for the 4 years that you will be at Los Altos High School. After you hit continue, you'll be taken back to the Naviance sign-in page where you'll enter in your email, the mvla.net email that you just used to create your account, and the password that you used. Click on login, and you'll be taken to the Naviance homepage. If you're new to Naviance, you'll get a welcome message along with just some boxes that will show you how you can use it to stay up to date on your college application process. Up in the right-hand corner are the tabs you're going to be focusing on. So under the college tab, you'll find a place where you can research and compare colleges, as well as plan for the college application process. And careers allows you to complete surveys on learning style, personality types, and career interests to help you find a career that matches those interests. About Me will let you just compile information about yourself, and this is also where you can kind of edit this information, especially if you want to change your password or your email address, you can do that right here. And then finally, under My Planner, gives you a lot of ways that you can kind of keep on top of your goals for the college or career application process, and really do a good job of kind of using Naviance to help you accomplish all the goals you have after you graduate Los Altos High School.